Hey guys, look what I caught. 2. Ichi ni. This looks like, I don't know what fish is this. Looks like anchovies, but I haven't seen anchovies this big. Like the size of my hand. I think they're anchovies. If it's something different, please comment down below. I'd like to know what type of fish is this. Looks like because of the mouth, it's, oops. Don't take it. No. Looks like because of the mouth, it's anchovies. Looks interesting. Oh, I got stuck. Shoot. There you go. Cast it. Big anchovies. Okay, my shoulder's getting tired, but that's jigging for you. Oh, got one? Got one. Yep, got one. What is this? Another... What is this? Very confused. Another big anchovy question mark? I'm still not sure because I haven't seen anchovy this big. Might be some sort of like... It looks like a combination between smelt and anchovy. Like... Oh. Oh. That's not anchovy. Maybe I'll search it up later on. If you guys know in the comments section down below, that would be really appreciated. Because I still don't know the species of fish. I'm still learning. Looks like the herring disappeared for a bit. Where did they go? Where did the herring go? Seems like it's weird. They're here and then they're not here. Just measuring the fish right now.
Huh?
Oh, you did?
It's right there. But
Oh,
it's
nice.
9, so it doesn't go versus any of these.
I caught a long smelt. Where's the smelt?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
200.
How many sargos are caught?
Go check the movies again. Why is the same? No, this is the same size right here. Yeah, they both same size. This one is smaller. This one?
Dang, the mackerel.
That's gonna be the winner for sure. The winner. Just the mackerel. No. Oh yeah. 13
Nice.
We got a 13 inches mackerel.
13 inches.
Okay, so we go with this one. Oh,
good.
They both the same, right?
We're gonna get 2 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes
let's just
before
cut
the time
it.
limit.
I should have gone for mackerel.
Can I see the opal?
Because there's 2.
Yeah, instead of 40, 60, let's go 50, 50. With this too.
Just a little.
Right? The first one,
Look at this. Fishing Foods crew caught an opaleye. Very nice. Green piece?
Oh no, just mussel.
Mussel.
Yeah.
Opaline in the winter is gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
It's just,
Sunset Cliff is gonna be popping.
I know. 16-inch opaleye.
okay.
You can catch in the Sunset Cliff. It's good opaleye, guys. Hey guys, look. Another person caught a rock wrasse. Very slimy, see? Very slimy. But this is a rock wrasse.
Olivia, let's go. I'm just
Very,
gonna get a
tastes like
picture.
lobster.
That is for thumbnail.
And the winner is actually a mackerel, 13 inches. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
now they're just handing out the money right now. But yeah, this
Okay.
this tournament's been a success.
The winner. Right there.
The bait fish are over there. I don't know if you can see them, but they're way too much.
Wow. Maybe the bonitas will be there now.
Oh my goodness. So it's the end of the tournament. It's been fun, guys. I'm here with Luis. Fishing Foods crew is over there. Lucky's over there too. It's a good time. Let's try to go for... Look at all the birds. Look. See that?
Oh, there's there's a body. There's a lot of birds.
Look at all the birds. They see the fish. Let me see if I can catch one. Oh my goodness.
Try with just a big fish. Maybe you're gonna catch a bonito. So it's fun. So you find the fish.
Oh yeah, look. That's a huge. Oh my goodness. Doll.
Look at that.
Oh, the dolphin. No, that's a seal. Oh yeah.
There's a lot of big fish over here.
Look at this, guys. So much big fish. Oh, the seal. The seal. Why you gotta ruin it for me? Oh my gosh.
That's the, I don't know if it's sardines or what. Anchovies? Either anchovies or sardines, but that's a lot.
When did the bait fish come?
I don't know, suddenly they just popped out.
I know.
Oh, you got tango. You got tango over there.
Oh, I got tangled.
You're on top. You're on top.
Alright guys, I'm done fishing. I'm gonna head out. Today's pier fishing was fun. I'm glad to be fishing with Lucky Angayen, Fishing Foods crew, and JLHA Fishing, Luis. You know, the whole tournament was super fun, talking with people, you know, making new friends and everything. Even catching fish, I caught 21 fish, decent amount. Okay, so I caught 19, and then I cleaned it all, and then I caught 1 anchovy and 1 smelt, or the one that Luis gave me. So yeah, it's been it's been slow, but I had fun talking to people. You know, you'll see the whole entire tournament in my video. Yeah, it's just been fun fishing with fellow YouTubers. So yeah, it's been real, guys. See you guys in the next video.